Hello my people, this is Hot Picture Studio Challenge. Abantu bagiye gutsindira amafaranga hano muri Hot Picture Studio, tugize abakiriya tumaze kubakorera. Dufite uburyo twikora utuntu twacu tugafata aga challenge. Yagatsindira tugahita tumuhereza amafaranga. Reka tubaze umuntu wa mbere. Who are you? Ariko challenge uyu munsi n'umwihariko. Harimo n'umukozi wa Hot Picture Studio. Reka banza abare duhera habibwira ko uyu munsi n'umuntu ugiye gutangiza challenge uyu munsi. Amazina yawe ni?
Yo, my name is C Portrait.
Niki ukora muri Hot Pictures?
Nije photograph nkaba na editor of Hot Pictures. My name is Crovis cyangwa se C Portrait ku mbuga zanjye.
C Portrait niryo bazi. Okay, dufite undi muntu wa danger n'umusani. Muramuzi nubwo akaba no fine shini wa mujene ugigira twatuntu twinyuma twagurya. No mujene ugigira twatuntu twagurya. My jeez. Oh my god. Okay, uyu dufite kabibwira nawe.
All the way from UK fine shit with a prayer. Oh man, I
Oh my god. Okay.
Hi guys, we are going to do Hot Pictures challenge on my road. Oh man, I
Urutera gucindira n'amafaranga.
Umva wanshinze wenda mabari.
My people, you gonna see, bro, you gonna see.
What?
Yo, ni MF designer nk'ibisanzwe. Wawundi ubambika mu kaberwa wawundi utajya uvuga byinshi ibikorwa byigaragaza.
Nukuvuga ngo uyu munsi dutangiye n'abantu badasanga dufite umusani akaba n'umuge.
Umusore mukundana ninde Damase?
Nibyo. Dufite umufotographe, dufite n'umudesigner wa mbere wambika babasani bose mujya mubona mu cyaro cy'ugu barenze. Okay, challenge began. Let's go.
English.
Aya ni amafaranga namwe dushaka gasigara muri no studio. Nta namwe dushaka. Challenge y'uyu munsi iteye gute? Tugiye kujya tuvuga up, bahaguruke, down, bicare. Turebe ngo ninde muntu uraza gutwara no mafaranga.
Okay.
Let's go. Umufotographe, umuge nako muhanzi.
Why are you gay?
No mu designer. Reka turebe. Let's go. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Up no guhaguruka, down no kwicara. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up. Down. Up. Mugire faster, courage. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Mwese mwatsinzwe. Aya mbere nukuvuga ngo bose batsinzwe. Aya mbere bitanu bisa bivaho hotera byisubije.
Nice.
Hotera yisubije aya mbere isavaho hotiti yisubizo bigenze gutya. Let's go. Nago wasubiramo. Wowe wavuyemo watsinzwe. Oh now. Oh yeah. Amafaranga acyahari. We are on up. We are on up now. Ready? Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Muri gutsinda hari. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. My guys, birakazi. Up. Down.
Why are you running?
Amafaranga wese yabonaniye. Hot Pictures irayisubije andi. Hasigayemo bitanu. Let's go. Tubibutsa ko this is Hot Pictures challenge.
Speak English.
buri bantu bose irabareba. Okay, let's go. Ready? We are on up now. We are not up.
Why are you gay?
Up, down, up. Oh, no!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
babona amafaranga yabo yicyuzi.
Oh, no! Finally made it. This is the winner. Get your man, bro. Okay, tugiye kongera tubaha amahirwe ya nyuma. Tugiye kongera dushyira mu 15. Uwa mbere yayatsindiye. Tugiye kongera dushyiraho andi mafaranga 15,000 turebe ko nukuvuga ngo ubundi busanga ino game barimwe. Kuko akaba tugitangira tugiye kujya twandi mahirwe ya nyuma tugishyira mu 15 turebe ko hari undi wayatsindiye. Kwa twifuje ko n'amafaranga tunanimwe turi bucyure. Ariko bari kuyanga. Garuka mu mukino we watsinze urebe ko wacyura 10 na bingahe. Go. Let's go. This is part 2. Now, part 2 on one day. Now, ngo tugiye kugira gute tugiye kureba ko uno mukinnyi yakira 10,000 cyangwa se basagacyura 5 byo niko twifuje. Turashaka kwa blessinga. Let's go. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? We are up now. Where are we? We are on up. Okay, let's go. Up. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro. You look like you still, bro. Let's go. Are you ready now? Yes. Up. Down. Move out.
No, God, please, no.
Move out, bro. Let's go. Are you ready? We are down now.
Urumogi rwarabuze nta kanyanga nta rumogi.
Let's go. We are down. Let's go. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down.
Ushaka abagabo.
What?
Why are you running? The win again, bro. Winner w'uyu munsi ni MF. MF is the winner.
babona amafaranga yabo yicyuzi. Barayakobokeye.
MF is the winner in what picture studio challenge.
Haravuga ibiyobyabwenge mu rubyiruko.
Gira ikintu ubwira abantu.
Haravuga ibiyobyabwenge
mwatsinzwe muvemo mwatsinzwe.
Abantu bari batsinzwe.
Ikintu navuga namugiriye muwe nashaka ko mani nyine ayatwara tu ntabwo ari uko nje mani nabibonaga rega nahagararaga iyo bivugaga akundijije ndavuga ati buriya akeneye amafaranga gukemura utubazo. All the way from you, man.
Ruza, come on.
Umuhombyi.
Come on.
Muna amafaranga adakwanyira.
Okay, gira ikintu ubwira abantu. Ako mujye munavuga mu What Picture Studio.
Cyo nabwira abantu cyo bakomeza badufollowing ese ko natsinzwe navuga iki.
Gagenda.
Mumwohereze gahumbi.
Tumwe na winner nawe ugiye kwamamariza What Pictures muri kano kanya. Muri kano kanya.
Ikintu nababwira cyo muri Hot Picture niho hantu hambere bakora ama video ya danje, niho hantu bakora amafoto ya danje, niho hantu honyine ushobora kujya ugatahana ibihembo by'amafaranga ngana gutya. Wallahi wari waje
kwifotoza. Kuvuga Instagram yawe no munsi.
Ni MF designer.
MF designer niwe abaye winner mujye mu following akora ibyango bya fresh. Nukuvuga atanga yuje ugatsinda tunagira gute tunabwira abantu bagufollowing kandi birakunda. Ibi ngibi biri mu kiriya wese. Muri mu kiriya wese Hot Picture Studio bino biramureba uzaza uje kwifotoza utsindire n'amafaranga. Let's go.